Hey guys, welcome back to my video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You won't believe me. It is April 25th, 2026 in Fort Saskatchewan, Alberta. Look how bad it's snowing here. Snow just blizzard. Snow just pouring. Snow's everywhere. Look at this. We didn't get so much snow in the winter. Now in the middle of the spring we are getting all of the snow. Isn't it crazy? Wow. We got more snow than we're getting in the winter. Look at that. Okay. Drive safe, stay warm. See you in the next videos. Bye.